So we had for lunch, I had hold on, I had like a salmon, and she had some curry shrimp in papaya. That was quite interesting, like the papaya. Like I've even had shrimp in papaya. That was really delicious. And we had mimosas, and what else did we have? Okay, so now the food was definitely a 10 out of 10. So I had a scabish salmon fillet with rice and peas and vegetables. Happy birthday to you. And as you can see right here, they came out and they sang her happy birthday. Yeah, that was extremely sweet and kind of them. I will say the food was a bit, it was reasonable. It was a bit pricey, reasonable kinda. But the ambience, the experience, 10 out of 10. Customer service, 10 out of 10. And of course, we had a blast and she enjoyed her massage and her facial. If you're ever in Negril, you should definitely check out Rock House.